Remove the water plug. Drain the water completely. Remove the backboard. Cut the tie. Remove the wire grommet. Remove the water pump plug. Remove the ground wire screw. Remove the ice barrier. Remove the float. Remove the float and pipe screws. Cutting the pump tie. Remove the damaged pump. Plug the water inlet pipe into the new water pump inlet port. Tighten the connection between the pump and the water pipe with cable tie. Use scissors to cut off the excess portion of the cable tie. Secure the water pump inside the water tank. Use a screwdriver to tighten the screws that hold the water pump to the float. Insert and secure the float. Thread the power cord from the water pump to the back of the ice maker. Plug the power supply of the water pump into the corresponding socket on the mainboard. Secure the ground screw tightly. Use a cable tie to organize and secure all power cords. Secure the wire grommet. Restore the back panel and all screws. Install the ice barrier.